Ever applied for a merchant account only to get denied without a clear reason? Sometimes your only option is offshore, but that comes with trade-offs. Here's how to figure it out. Track your processor applications. List whether they were domestic or offshore, and note the outcome. If you keep hitting denials at home, that's a sign you may need to consider offshore options. Domestic banks often avoid high risk or high volume businesses, which leaves some business owners with no choice but to look offshore. Offshore accounts can approve harder to place industries, but they also come with higher fees and stricter compliance. With EasyPay Direct, you don't have to guess. They will walk you through the pros and cons of every account type, domestic, high risk, or offshore, and help you choose the option that gives you the best chance at stability. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also get features like 250 plus integrations, making it easier to connect whichever merchant account you use to your shopping cart or software. If you are unsure whether you need an offshore merchant account, EasyPay Direct can help you find the right fit without the risk of guessing wrong. The sign up link is in the description to get started.